All right, everyone, Mrs. Amora loves her mudslide, so today I'm going to make her a peppermint mudslide from the website, thecookierookie.com. All right, everyone, the first step of making this peppermint mudslide is we're going to rim the glass with crushed up candy cane, because it's Christmas, man. Let's just make it happen. That should be plenty. And then on this plate, we're going to put in Ghirardelli chocolate sauce, because this is Christmas time, and Mrs. Amora don't play. It's full contact Christmas at this house. Take your glass, put it upside down on the chocolate, give it a couple of spins. It looks good already. And then give it a couple of spins in the old peppermint. We can do better. We can do better. There we go. Look at that. That's beautiful. And then into a blender. Personally, I'm just going to dump this in. Now into the blender, we're going to add a bunch of stuff. We're going to put in, first of all, vodka, 1 ounce. Now the recipe calls for peppermint vodka. I only have, honestly, vanilla vodka right now, but I do have peppermint extract, so that's how we're going to make peppermint vodka. 1 ounce of this stuff. The perfect pour, ah! Now we're going to add in some peppermint extract to give it that peppermint flavor. How about half a teaspoon? Next, we're going to toss in 1 ounce of Irish cream. Obviously, we drink a lot of it in this house because we have a, almost a 2-liter bottle. 1 ounce. The perfect pour. Half ounce of Kahlua. I don't like Kahlua because it costs too much, so I'm going to use Sabroso coffee liqueur. Just as good, if not better, than Kahlua, in my opinion. Next, we're going to use a 1/4 cup of this Ghirardelli chocolate sauce in our mudslide, and we're going to use a little bit to coat the inside of our glass. 3 cups of vanilla ice cream, because vanilla ice cream makes everything better. 3 cups to the best of our ability. All right, there we go. Is Mrs. Amora looking? Now the blender is all set up. We're going to give it a spin. Oh, look at that. All right, guys, so that's how you make a peppermint mudslide. Let's give it the old college try. But before I do, slap that follow button for me because, Santa's watching. Holy my God, peppermint, that is good.